how to move your Google Photos to another Gmail account. So this is really useful if you want to move all of your photos to another Google account. Now first head over to the Google website and make sure you're signed into the Google account that already contains the photos. You can then click on Apps and you'll need to go and load up the Photos app. You can also just type in photos.google.com to the address bar. Now once you're signed into the account with the photos, click on the plus icon. You can then press share with a partner, make sure all photos is selected and then go and press next. You then need to type in the email address of the person that you want to share these photos with. You can then go and select your account and then just press next. Now click send invitation. Now once you've done this, head back over to the Google website and you'll need to sign in to your second Google account. You can then press Gmail and you should now have an email with this photo invitation link. So go and press view invite and then go and accept the invitation. Now once you've accepted the invitation, you'll be able to see all of the Google Photos from your old account. You could then click on the select button at the top of this page. You could then scroll right down to the bottom of the photos. You could then hold down the shift key on your keyboard and then you can go and select this last photo in the list and that will select all of the photos like so. You could then go and click on the save button and this will now save the photos over to your second Gmail account.